Hello and welcome. I'm Mandy Clark and I'm here with Hannes Frischmann, who is the Global Design Lead at LEONI, which is Germany's leading manufacturer for over 400 years. And also with us is Anja Pilgrim, who is NTT Data's client partner for many companies, but also for LEONI. Thank you for joining me. Earlier, I had the opportunity to talk to the company's Chief Information Officer about not only its past, but its future.
Hey, my name is Christoph. I'm responsible for IT at LEONI, starting really with simple wiring as such, now going to a much more and focused complex automotive wiring, where we do a lot of wiring harnesses, overall solution designs for a lot of those big and well-known automotive manufacturers, similar like BMW, providing from engineering and manufacturing side that is driving around here everywhere. Wiring harness, a wiring system as the nerve system of the car. We started together with NTT Data a project that we call Flow at LEONI, which is a S4HANA, typical S4HANA transformation that we are going through. You see that quite often on the market at the moment, and we do that together with NTT Data.
What I want to know when it comes to having a company that has such a long history, how important is to be the ability to adapt and change?
It's a really important thing because the world is turning. I mean, every day something happens and you need to react on it, and that's one reason why we take in our Flow project Agile methodology, because that's where you can handle changes and react on changes really fast. We are really need to do that kind of big change because our ERP systems are quite old. And therefore, I mean, we are talking about an SAP, so S4HANA transformation project here. When I look back in 2018, when I joined that project, I mean, I started from scratch, really. So I was alone in my engineering to launch work stream. And now I'm talking about a team size of around 20 people. 10 from external, 10 from internal, and I'm really proud about that. It's necessary to, let's say, to secure that we can produce the next 100 years in a more and more digitally world.
I think you have great passion for this program, and I think we will both make it successfully.
Absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
For you, Hannes, how important is it to have a partner that really gets the importance of what you're doing?
That's the foundation, I would say. Doesn't matter if it's in the private context or in a business context. You need to trust each other, because otherwise you cannot gain progress and success. We are explaining what we need and what we would like to do, and you are supporting us with resources here and with knowledge. So you need that partnership, and you need that trustful partner who covered this. And I think we are really good in that during the last years, and we are on a good way, and yeah, to have a success on the end.
When I was speaking to your CIO, he made a point of saying the company needs to know what they can do internally and what they can't do, and finding the right partners. Yeah. How do you go about it?
Once again, we are talking about a transformation project, and to be honest, it's, I would say, one of the toughest things you can do in so an SAP S4HANA transformation projects. And therefore you need support, because it's simply not possible to do everything by your own. And therefore you need a trustful relationship, a trustful partner like NTT to do that.
Because you're talking about really complex projects like transformation, how do you ensure that you have the same vision?
It's one of the important things to give feedback and to get feedback. Very open. So also bad feedback is a good feedback, I would say. Yeah, we are on a level of partnership where we can do that, and I think that's one of the keys.